If you think pav is just a simple bread roll, think again. Today we'll be talking about 5 classic pav pairings that are absolute must-tries. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be craving one of these. So there you have it, 5 classic pav pairings that you have to try.
First up, the king of Mumbai street food, Vada Pav. A crispy golden fried potato vada is stuffed inside a soft pav, slathered with garlic chutney and served with a fried green chili for that extra kick. It's spicy, crispy, buttery, basically a flavor bomb. Pav Bhaji. Next up, a dish that's all about flavor and indulgence, Pav Bhaji. This rich and buttery mix of mashed veggies, tomatoes and spices is slow cooked to perfection. And the best part, that buttery pav soaking up all the delicious bhaji. Misal pav. For those who love spice, this one's for you. Misal pav. A spicy Maharashtrian curry made with sprouted lentils, topped with crispy farzan, fresh onions and a squeeze of lemon. One bite and you'll feel that spice hit you. Anda bhurji pav. Now let's talk about the perfect breakfast pav pairing, Anda bhurji pav. Street-style crispy scrambled eggs loaded with onions, chilies and coriander, served hot with buttered pav. Whether it's breakfast or a late-night snack, this one never disappoints. Keema Pav. And finally, a treat for all the non-veg lovers, Keema Pav. Spicy minced meat, slow cooked with onions, tomatoes and garam masala paired with toasted pav. This dish is pure indulgence.
Which one's your favorite? Or is there any unique pairing that you swear by? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.